So this is one Seagate pension drive data recovery case, and we can check the family ID is B2. Its model number ST2000VX015. And this is one data recovery case study from one Dolphin user in Brazil. Now we are reading backup, backup the original ROM. This is the ROM save parse. So now let's read the ROM first, and we can see in the COM terminal, and this is the error message. We can say it shows failed to power on. That means the drive already spin down and cannot get ready. So for this kind of B2 spin down issue, it's kind of common firmware failure, and we can try to use the common functions, common repair, and we can see here is one B2 repair. Anyway, we need to unlock the firmware error first, and then we can use that quick fix. Another possible failure is the head failure, so we need to wait a little bit. We can try the firmware failure first, because if the drive is not clicking or doesn't indicate further the head failure, so we can try the firmware fix first. Okay, now we can generate unlock ROM because the original has been read successfully. So here is unlock ROM. We can generate. Okay, we select the original ROM. This is a unlock ROM. This is the parse. Okay, let's save here. For the family, we select this model 1. Now we can write this unlock ROM. Okay, this is the unlock ROM to write. Click OK to write. Okay, so unlock ROM has been written successfully. Next, we need to power off and power on drive. And let's see, okay, send unlock key. Let's see if it's possible to enter F3 prompt. We need to wait a little bit. Even after we write the unlock ROM and send unlock key, we keep getting the same failure and same error messages in this COM terminal, failed to power on reply. So at this time, we can try to use this function, common repair, B2 repair spin down fix, and we can use we can try to select the unlock ROM first and see what happens. And spin down fix ROM, restore, unlock, click save, click OK. Now let's check the log window. Operation success. Now we need to write this spin down fix ROM, this one, and click OK to write and say if we can fix this kind of failure. Because this is one common failure for the B2 family, failed to power up the patient drive. After writing this modified ROM, and let's say if it's possible to spin on the patient drive. Okay, now this ROM has been written successfully. So we can power off and power on the drive and see if we get the same failure. Send unlock key now. We can see the drive gets ready. And we can also enter F3 prompt and Control L. We can see the drive has been unlocked successfully. So right now we can try to back up the important SYS files. It's just reading data. So this is one very good data recovery case study. We can try to back up these important SYS files. And sometimes we can back up the ATA folder, ATA loader. We can see this one, the loader. Okay, the 20D. So click OK. Okay, the software starts to back up the important SYS files. Okay, now the backup has been successful. So let's go to the software and we can try to re-enter the software. Anyway, before we use the transient regeneration, we can check the data error first and see if it has been fixed or not. Now we can see some bad sectors or delayed sectors in the beginning. Let's check the ending part. So this is the beginning part. It's not a problem to enter the data error. 3.8. Okay, the same. So now the drive has already been fixed. Just some bad sectors. And we can go to the DFL, DDP. Anyway, we can try to see if it's possible to fix some common snow issue for the SIGI pension drive. Obtain details. So this is ROM issue. After we fix the ROM failure, and we can access the data error directly. So we can try to wait a little bit. And here we can try to untick this one, keep this one, and unselect all others. Click modify. This fix helps to fix the snow issue, the common snow issue failure, and get the drive working faster. Now let's go to the DFL DDP data recovery software. So select the same channel, open, click DDP data recovery software. Now click the hex view. Let's check the data here. We can see the 5588. Now we can set up one new project. We need to select the task parse. So this client has only drive C. Client doesn't have we can try to set up one new folder or ST2000VX015. This is the task name. Click next. Let's say if the last partition can be listed or not. So here's the listed partition, ext4 partition. Expanding the last folders and files under this partition. There are some bad sectors, so it's better to image the drive first and then extract the lost folders and files from the target drive. So we can see now there are some bad sectors, so we need to wait or we need to exit this one and set up the head map to image this pension drive by heads. That's the best solution for this one. Okay, thank you for watching this video.